Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems are simple if you understand derivatives. Let's break down this function and find the right interpretation together. First, we need to identify our variables, where x is the area in square feet and c of x is the total cost. The derivative represents the instantaneous rate of change. When we see c prime of 300 equals 6, it means that at exactly 300 square feet, the cost is increasing by $6 for every additional square foot painted. This marginal cost indicates the next unit costs about $6. That makes option D the only logical choice for our final answer. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush when reading units. Always trust the given units for rates.